In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have and manage multiple accounts on Snapchat. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Snapchat app. Once your app is open, all you have to do is just click on this profile icon that you can see at the top left corner. Once you click on this, you are going to see settings at the top right corner. So click on your settings. Now all you have to do is just scroll to the bottom. You are going to see log out. Now you don't have to be worried because it's going to automatically store your login details. So you don't have to be worried that you do not know your password or something like that. So you can go ahead and click on log out, then confirm, and you see that it's going to store your login details. So you can see that my account is still right here. So I didn't lose access to my account. So it's totally safe. So now to switch your account, simply click on switch account and you'll be able to switch and log into another account. But if you don't want to switch account, you want to create another brand new account, all you have to do is just go back and click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, as you can see, you can easily sign up and have another account in your Snapchat app. So this work easily and it's something that you can actually use to manage multiple accounts on one Snapchat app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.